In this video, we are going to look at what we call Google Forms. So if you want to know what Google Form is, so this is what I gave it to you to fill when we join in this class. I share a form with you, and once you click on it, you see a bit more about us, Elotech, what we do, and other information. So this influences your decision to join the class. So you see the next button. Once you click on this next, it gives you an option for you to enter your name and probably your number. You put your number here. Now after filling this basic information, you go through the course. So this is basically our next cohort will be enrolling. So you pick the course you want to do. So you pick one, then you click on a reason. Let me put NA. You click on submit, and immediately you click on submit. We thank you. You see a thank you message, and we tell you that you can click on this to be able to join our WhatsApp page for the other cohort, right? So basically this is what we call Google Forms. It allows us to take responses and feedback from people. So Google Forms, it's a way we create surveys, quizzes, assignment, and other things, kind of take response from people, and that information you are going to get from people, you can analyze it and use it for other stuff. So I get to know your feedback, what you want to what do you expect from this course, the course you want to do, whether you are a worker or you're a student, and this information influences my decision on the assignment I create for you. So I know that these students I'm going to teach are working, so these kinds of project is what they need to be able to succeed, and this is what we use Google Forms for. So it is free, absolutely free, and anyone can create a form once you have account. You can also have a lot of people working on the same form. So this form I work with my team, and any of them can log into the system to see how many people have filled and which of the courses they want. Then there is a data analysis bit that is embedded in it, that let me try and show you one here. So if I log into the previous one here, um, let me go to the previous one, and I click on this code, you will see that I have responses. So 40 people responded. Unfortunately, very few ones registered though. That's just by the way. But if you go to the summary, you can see that it gives us a bit of data analysis here. Phone numbers, email address, we have the course, so we'll be able to tell that 27 of those that registered are from the tertiary field. We get to understand that some are workers, and it gives us other information. So we get all these charts here that helps us to understand the responses that the people were selecting. So that is what makes Google Forms unique. Now let's quickly zoom into how we can create our Google form. It is very easy. So just lest I forget, what you have to do is go to our platform, and when you go to our Office Productivity 2 cohort, click on the classwork, and when you scroll up you will see this week 4 Google Forms, and there is a practice sheet and a handout. So you can open this handout as a PDF. It's a PDF. Then you click on this print. This print allows you to download it, and you see this download button, you click to download. The same way you can also get the handout, and that practice sheet is a Microsoft Word document. And as you know, if you are working with Microsoft document, you click on the open with Google Sheets on the top. Then once this opens, you click on the file tab, you click on download, then you click to download as Microsoft Word document. So that is how you will get access to that. Now with that being said, if we want to create a Google form, this is what you have to do. The first one is to click on this several dots we have here. Click on this dot. It gives you the option scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and click on what? Forms. You see forms here. This will take you directly to Google Forms as it brought out here. The second method is what I have in the handout that says that open your browser and search for forms.google.com, or you can just search Google Forms, just Google Forms without anything. Now the first one that comes up, docs.google, that is not what we want. This is docs. Okay, scroll down. Okay, so click on the first one, that's a Google Forms sign in. Click on that, and you see that one also brings us what? To Google Forms. So either ways, you click on this to select the forms from here, or you write Google Forms in there, and when you come, you see all the projects I've been building. They are here. Everything I've done, they will be here. I use Google Form to do an election, so this is going to be one of the projects that you are going to do. Okay, so we take a code and other information, so we will be going through all these as projects, so don't worry. So when you go to Google Forms, as I showed you, then you click on blank. That is the first one, blank form. Click on blank form, then it brings you here. So this is Google Form. I'll end it here, and we will continue it in the next video.